Hey Mom, well I know you've probably heard that we had a blizzard here, so I thought you might like to see what it looks like from our point of view. And so here it is. This is the amazing blizzard of 2013. Ready? This is it. This is Saturday morning, and the snow is pretty impressively deep. 3 feet. There's John. He's been out clearing a path for the dogs, and it's still snowing and the wind's quite high, but you can see that we've got a solid 3 feet here. It's nice powdery snow, but there's just a lot of it. This is my car, my little red car. You can see the little red thing down the side, and the road, our little tree in the front yard, neighbor's house. Let's see, can I zoom in a bit? There we go. That is Hannah's car right there, and here's our front yard tree, and there's the edge of the driveway. So you can see we've got, it's hard to tell the scale, but we do have quite an impressive amount of snow. There's the house with the snow balanced against it. I'm going to go put my snowshoes on and go for a walk around the neighborhood and take you with me. So I'm going to shut off for right now and get back later. Okay, so here I am on the road outside my house. We have a pretty significant blizzard going on. Wind is blowing. John is using a snow blower, and you can see I don't know if you can see it, my footsteps in the snow. Maybe not. It's just a bit of a whiteout. My hand's getting cold. I'm going to shut this off, put my gloves on. So off we go again. John has made a little place for the dogs to go to the bathroom, and he's out working in the snow. If you see that big white plume, that's him. There's a couple of neighbors doing it as well. I'll show you in a minute. It's quite amazing. I'm really glad I've got this camera, because it's hard, you know, during the middle of the summer to remember what it's like. Hey, Kona. Kona. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Huh? I'm going to press stop for a second and get him a snowball. You ready, Kona? Ready? Get it. Yay! Good boy! Kona in the snow. Kona in the snow. What a good boy.
So this is what the driveway looks like now. It's 2.5 hours of snow blowing, and it's kind of sunny out, so hopefully you can see how high the snow banks are. You see the cars are cleared off, but you can see the snow is quite high, and there's about 3 of us that did about 6 houses to help our neighbors out across the street. And you see some people are still snow blowing. There's the house. We couldn't get to the front door. There's the road, so you can see how high the snow blower got and how high the snow is. We ended up getting about 2 feet of snow, plus the snow drifts. So you can see it's quite impressive. There's my neighbor up on his roof. What you doing up there, Scott?
Get the snow on.
Do you have your snow rake?
It's just a shovel, it's easier.
Because I want to pull some off of the top there.
I have a snow rake if you need one.
Yeah, I'll borrow it a little bit later when the wind stops. Probably tomorrow when the wind stops. So you see they've done a pretty good job with the plows. They've kept the road kind of clear. It's even starting to melt. It's about 28 degrees Fahrenheit now. So, and our neighbor's out with his little boy. So that's our little snowstorm. All 2 feet. And you can see it's starting to melt. There's a sidewalk to the front door. It's a bit much of a snow to kind of get to. So, but you can see it's already starting to melt from the sun hitting the driveway. So cleared a little area over here, you can see, so the dogs can go out. So you can see again, the snowbanks and our backyard with the fence. That's about it.
Dad, this is showing you that we can clear the snow even if you're not here. Don't tell me you just died.
We just ran out of gas.
Don't tell me that.
We just ran out of gas.
Well, anyways, Father.
Yeah. We've snowplowed most of them. You know what? I'm happy it's out of gas because I was just thinking I'm running out of ideas of how to do this. So here we are. We're going to shovel the rest. Can you believe?
Shovel?
Nearly a foot, I think.
Yeah,
a foot of snow. I don't know if that's pointing at me or not. Nearly a foot of snow, darling. And you were in Vegas.
Who are you?
Love you.
Let's take a look. This beautiful driveway that we have mostly cleared, plus the cars, and we even got the trash out on time. You'd be proud. Anyways, look at her go. Isn't she gorgeous? Work it, Mom. Work it.